Hello students, I am Shraddha and I am going to teach you class 9th CBSE Mathematics exercise 12.2 question number 4. A triangle and a parallelogram have the same base and the same area. In this figure, you can see this triangle and this parallelogram are on the same base. The base of this triangle and this parallelogram is same and the same area. The condition is also given that area of this triangle and area of this parallelogram are equal, means same. If the sides of the triangle are 26 centimeter, 28 centimeter and 30 centimeter, the three sides of the triangle are 26 centimeter, means one of the side will become 26 centimeter, another side will become 30 centimeter and one side will become 28 centimeter, and the parallelogram stand on the base 28, means the base of the triangle is 28. So before marking the sides, first read the question properly, because what will happen, in hurry you will make this 26, this 28 and this 30, but in the question it is clearly given that the base of the triangle as well as parallelogram is 28. So the base of this triangle will be 28. So obviously the remaining side, that will be 30 centimeter. We have to find the height of the parallelogram. So first we will find area of this triangle, and that area of triangle will be equal to area of parallelogram. So come on, let us solve the question. In a triangle, one side is 26 centimeter, second side is 28 centimeter and third side C is 30 centimeter. In Heron's formula, what we do? We find S, that is semi-perimeter. And what is semi-perimeter? Semi-perimeter is A plus B plus C upon 2. Sum of all three sides divided by 2. That means 26 plus 28 plus 30 divided by 2. 28 plus 26 plus 30, the sum is 84. So here 84 upon 2. When 84 will be divided by 2, the answer is 42. Means value of S is 42. Now we will apply the formula of Heron's for finding area of triangle. So area of triangle formula according to Heron's is area of triangle is equal to under root S, S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. Put the values. Under root 42. 42 minus A means 26. S minus B means 42 minus second side, that is 28. And the next is 42 minus 30, third side. Subtract the values. 42 multiply 42 minus 26, 16. 42 minus 28, 14. 42 minus 30, that is 12. Now what we will do, we will take out the factors of 42. So factors of 42, we will find factors of 42. So here I will take the help of a pencil this side to take out the factors of 42. Factors of 42 are, by 2 it will come 21 times, 3 sevens are and 7 ones are. So the factors are 2, 3 and 7. The factors of 16 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Factors of 14 are 2 into 7 and factors of 12 are 2 into 2 into 3. Here we will make the pairs. Like 2 will have how much pair? 1 and 2. This is the first pair of 2. So 2 will come out. Then again one pair of 2. So 2 will come out. Third pair of 2. 2 will come out. Fourth pair of 2, again 2 will come out. Pair of this 3 is there, so 3 will come out. And pair of 7 is there, so 7 will come out. Multiply 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. 16 3s are 48 and 48 7s are. So multiply 48 into 7. 48 into 7. 8 7s are 56. 6 carry 5. 7 4s are 28. 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. 336. So 336 square centimeter is area of triangle. Now it's given that area of triangle is equal to area of parallelogram. It is given in the question. So area of parallelogram is equal to area of triangle. It is clearly given in the question. So in this way, area of parallelogram will be 336 because area of triangle is equal to area of parallelogram. Now come to the figure. See there in the figure, what is the formula for area of parallelogram? Area of parallelogram is base into height. So base we know of parallelogram, but we don't know height. So for height, what we will do? I will make one perpendicular on the base of this parallelogram. From one of the vertex of the parallelogram, I will draw perpendicular means altitude means height of that parallelogram on the base. So this will become height of parallelogram and this is base of parallelogram. So area of parallelogram, the formula is base into height and that is equal to 336. Base of the parallelogram. What is base of parallelogram? That is 28. So here will come 28 multiply by height. What is height? That is unknown. We have to find. So 28 into h is equal to 336. 28 will be shifted here. So here h is equal to 336 upon 28. Divide 336 by 28. So 336 divide by 28. 28 ones are 28. 5 and this 6 will come down. So 56 and 28 twos are 56. So here when we will divide 336 by 28, the answer is 12. That means therefore I can write height of parallelogram is equal to 12 centimeter. And in this way we can solve this question.